Hi, I'm Dan with Six Monkeys. Today we're gonna do a quick install video of this roof rack. This guide will help you out. I'll give you a little bit of a visual instead of just having a piece of paper in front of you. The first thing you need to do is locate your two side rails. You'll notice that one side has a monkey cut out, one side does not. It doesn't matter what side you put it on. Both sides are identical. You're gonna start off by finding the weather stripping and apply the weather stripping to the bottom side of both rails. It's really easy. Just start on one end, work to the other end. If you have any excess, cut it off. Once you've done that, you're gonna locate your front wind deflector. You're just gonna bolt it in with 3 bolts on either side. Just apply one of the stainless bolts all the way through, put a washer and a polylock nut. Once you get that in place, you can tighten them up. You're then gonna start applying all of your roof slats. These are aluminum slats. They're threaded on the ends. You're gonna apply the bolts with a lock washer on the outside. You're gonna work down one side, just getting everything loose, not even finger tight, just get them started. Then work down the other side, doing the same thing. This is the crucial step. You're gonna tighten one slat at a time. That means tighten this slat, this side, and the other side before you move on to the next slat. You'll notice that our roof line tapers. It's wider in the front than it is the back. So it's important to tighten down one slat towards the front, then the one behind it, and so on. This keeps everything square and true to our contour of our roof. If you don't do that, then one side will be perfectly straight and then the other side will bow in. You don't want that. Once you have all of this assembled, you can then go to your Jeep, remove your factory rails. It's really easy. You'll find 3 bolts, remove them, and your factory roof slat will then slide off. You can wipe down that whole area at that time. Usually you'll find dirt, sticks, leaves, all sorts of stuff up underneath it. At that point, you can then apply your brackets. I have these cup-shaped brackets. We've since upgraded them. They're now a piece of cut out flat with an angle broke in them. They're slotted, so they will accommodate the flush buttons or the raised buttons. I have raised buttons. Let me show you what these new upgraded ones look like. These are our upgraded mount brackets, just a simple bracket. These mount brackets accommodate both the raised and flush buttons because of the slots. They're also slotted here for adjustment of your roof rack. You'll also notice that when you start putting these in the corresponding locations, which on mine it's the first button, skip one, third button, fourth button, fifth button. You'll notice on the driver's side here, for some reason Mopar doesn't do everything equal from one side to the other, so this one only has 1 bolt in it. Now we've accommodated the second bolt with a single bracket that will be in your kit, and it has these extra 2 slots on the outside. This is the only bracket that you'll get that is like this, so be sure you put this one in the right location. Again, these brackets do not take a load. They are just there to retain the roof rack position. All the load is distributed to the outside edge of the drip rail, which is the most stable, strongest point of your roof. Once you get these brackets in place, you're gonna finger tighten all of the roof rack bolts, the factory ones. You're gonna slide it up against your roof rack, get the 2 bolts on the outside tightened down, finger tight. At that point, you can shift the entire roof rack back and forth a little bit and square it all up. Once you get it all square, Make sure your bracket is flush against the outside. Drop it down, tighten the bolt, and then you can tighten the outside up. It's a very easy install. If you have any issues, contact us, accommodate you with whatever you need changed. But typically, these are really universal. They're really easy to install. A buddy helping is definitely a plus, especially when you go to set this main structure up on top of the roof. You don't want to scratch your roof or anything. You can find these at www.sixmonkeys.net. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just comment below. We'll get back to you. You can email me, message me, and there are options to not have pod lights on the outside. We can omit those. There's also an option to add the lights, and we can also provide the lights and the light bars. You'll notice that there's a series of holes in the front. I like the round lights, so I personally picked these up myself. Usually if you put a light bar on here, you put them on top. If you put them on the front face, the wind circulates up front here. It'll make a whistling noise on the back of your light bar. So I recommend putting them on top. These holes are also utilized for our front wind fairing, which is awesome if you have a rooftop tent. We're gonna be adding all sorts of stuff to go along with this. We're gonna make a ladder that's gonna hang down the side. We're gonna make a spare tire carrier and all sorts of things. The cool thing about this roof rack is all these slats are removable. So some of our options will remove these slats and add in steel slats for a spare tire carrier, whatever you can think of. If you like to have your sunroof a little more open up top, you can remove this first slat, you can remove the second slat. Overall, it's a really good product. We're also going to be making 1/4-inch flat bar inserts that will stiffen up these slats even more. And those are easy to apply. You can apply them later on. You just remove a slat, slide the flat bar in there, and put the slat back in. It'll stiffen it up quite a bit. Overall, we're really happy with this product. If you have any questions or comments, email us, text us, call us. I love dealing with my customers personally, and we look forward to building you one and having you be a part of the Six Monkey family. Thank you.